Hey, Doug community. I hope you've been enjoying your summer, and I hope you've gotten the chance to read up on our latest edition of Doug Digest, which you have access to as a part of our free Doug membership. If you haven't already signed up, I strongly encourage you to, because it'll unlock so many resources and connections, and you'll never miss out on what's going on in the Doug community. But if you haven't gotten the chance to read it yet, I'm here to catch you up on all the things we don't want you to miss in the Doug community for the month of August. First up, Doug Meetups. These events are perfect for anyone who wants to connect with others in the Microsoft Dynamics and Power Platform space. Not only do we have local options, but some of our groups meet virtually, and we even have some meetups on a regional level. Now, the month of August is a big month for Doug Meetups because in addition to our local and virtual lineup this month, which includes Oklahoma, Kansas City, Colorado, Florida, and many more, Doug is also hosting 2 regional meetups for our community members in the United States. If you're in the Midwest, come join us on August 27th through 28th for our Ohio regional meetup. This will be 2 half days of educational sessions and networking with an incredible lineup of sponsors, speakers, and sessions. But hurry and secure your ticket because spots are filling up fast. And if you're in the South, join us in Houston on August 29th for our Texas regional meetup. This is a full-day learning and networking opportunity led by some great figures in the Microsoft BizApps community. Both of these events will focus on Dynamics 365 Finance, Business Central, Customer Engagement, and Power Platform. You can check out the full list of upcoming meetups and learn more about the Ohio and Texas regional meetups at dynamicsusergroup.com/meetup. Moving on, here are some DynamicsCon updates for the month of August. Ticket sales for DynamicsCon 2025 are open. Be sure to secure your ticket before September 30th to get a special early bird discounted price. You can also book your hotel room at a discounted group rate. Visit DynamicsCon.com to learn more. Also, don't forget, session submissions for DynamicsCon Virtual are open now until September 12th, so submit your session proposals today. The sessions for DynamicsCon Virtual are voted on by the community, which means you get to choose the content you want to see this November 13th. It's going to be a great event. Sponsorships for both DynamicsCon Virtual and DynamicsCon 2025 are open now, and we would love for you to show your support. Next up, Doug Webinars. Tune in on August 30th for Avengers Assemble, simpler checklists in D365 with Power Automate. Doug webinars are free, they're year-round, and they're hosted in conjunction with MS Dynamics World. You can view the full list of upcoming webinars at dynamicsusergroup.com. Don't forget to check out the latest discussion on Doug forums and keep up with our social channels where we update you daily on what's up in the Doug community. We also want to say a huge thank you to all of our current Team Up partners for all of their support. And as always, we're sending you lots of Doug hugs, and I'll see you next month.